What's going on, guys? This is the second video in the series where I hunt for airdrops, and I also provide tutorials on how to do that as well. And today we're going to be talking about Zetachain network, which is going to be a layer 1 omni-chain protocol that allows for interoperability. So you'll be able to swap different tokens on different networks, and they don't have to be the same token. Where you bridge them, it literally is, you can take, let's say, Bitcoin on one network and swap it for, let's say, Ethereum on a different network. So that's exactly why I think that you should be paying attention to this airdrop, and it's not going to involve any of your money because this is all going to be on testnet, because this protocol is not live yet. It's going to go out live soon, and the only thing you're really going to use is the testnet tokens that you can claim from a faucet. So again, no money on your end, just the testnet tokens. So the airdrop is not confirmed yet, but they did announce that there is going to be Zeta token in the future. So it's a potential airdrop, but again, not confirmed. So let me show you how you can potentially qualify for this airdrop. So let's start with the step number 1. And as usual, the step number 1 is we need to have some crypto wallet. In our case, we're going to be using MetaMask because it's the most widely adopted EVM compatible wallet. So what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to go to metamask.io right here. You're going to click download. In my case, it's going to be a Brave browser, even though it says Chrome right here. But if you're using Chrome, Chrome is fine as well. Just click install and install the extension for the browser that you're using. If you don't know how to do this, there's a bunch of tutorials out there. You can just search YouTube for more tutorials on how to set up your MetaMask wallet. After that, you're going to go to chainlist.org. And chainlist.org just aggregates the list of all the EVM compatible networks. So in our case, in order for us to interact with Zetachain, we're going to need to add 2 test networks. First is going to be Gurley test network, which is the Ethereum test network. And the second one is going to be Mumbai test network, which is the Matic test network. So in order for us to do that, what we need to do, we need to search for, let's say, Gurley, the first one that we're going to do. But we need to make sure that we check this check mark that says include testnets. And as you can see, we have Gurley. You can just connect your wallet and then say add to the wallet, and it's going to add this network to your wallet. The second one that we need to add is going to be Mumbai. So once you typed in Mumbai, you're going to see Mumbai, you're going to connect wallet, and it's going to add that network as well for you in the MetaMask. So now you have 2 networks. So the next step that we're going to do, we're going to request some Gurley and Mumbai test tokens from the respective faucets. So in order for us to do that, we're going to go to gurleyfaucet.com, and I have it right here open. And what you need to do on the top right corner, you're going to have to click sign in. And if you don't have an Alchemy account, you can just sign up for free because it requires you to have an Alchemy account in order for you to request some test tokens. So once you sign up, you log in, you just go ahead and go to your MetaMask, and then you're going to copy your wallet address. You're just going to paste it right here. You're going to click I'm not a robot and send me ETH. And within a couple of minutes, it's going to send you test ETH to your Gurley network in your MetaMask. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to click on Mumbai right over here, and it's going to take you to mumbaiFaucet.com, and you're going to paste the same exact address because for Matic or for Ethereum, it's going to be the same address because it's an EVM network as well. So you're just going to paste the same address, and you're going to click send me Matic. Now, step number 3. So you're going to go to verify your Twitter account at labs.zetachain.com/swap. So you're going to go to this website, and over here, you're just going to skip all these prompts, and you're going to click start testing with Zeta Labs. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to verify your Twitter. So you're going to click verify Twitter. You're going to click authorize app. After that, you're going to be on this screen, and you're going to click connect wallet and get assets so you can get some test Zeta tokens. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on MetaMask. You're going to click next right here and connect. And after that, over here, there's going to be a button that says request assets. Since I already claimed, I'm only going to be able to claim again with it after 24 hours. So you're going to click request assets, and you're going to get some Zeta tokens. I believe it's going to get 3 Zeta tokens every 24 hours. So you're going to do that, and you're good to go. So the next step is step number 4, and we're going to swap from one testnet to another or do multiple swaps. But really, you only need one swap every week because this is the points-based system where you earn points by swapping just once every week. So we're going to go back to Zeta Labs. We're going to click on swap right here. And once we're here, we're going to select, let's say, Gurley network and Zeta tokens that we got 3. and you can just enter 3 tokens right here, and you can, let's say, swap to Polygon Mumbai. Then it's gonna ask you to switch to Girly if you're swapping from Girly. Since I'm on Polygon right now, that's why it's asking me. But other than that, you're just gonna click swap right here. You're gonna enter the amount, you're gonna click swap, and that's it. And you're gonna earn 7,000 points every week once you do a single swap. So in my case, as you can see, it says earn 7,000 Zeta points by swapping once every 7 days, and it's going to tell you how much time you have left until you can do the swap again and earn points. And here you can see your points. So the next step, and step number 5, is go and sign up for leaderboards. To do that, you're going to go back to zetachain.com and you're going to click on leaderboard. So over here you can see the leaderboard, and it's gonna ask you to confirm your wallet right here. Since I already have my wallet confirmed, I don't need to do that, but it's gonna have a button that says confirm wallet. You have to do that, click confirm wallet, and after that you can see how many points you have, what's your current rank in the leaderboards, and you can see the current top accounts with the most Zeta points. So yeah, you have some people with 45 million points, and they have so many points, but honestly, don't let it discourage you. You can still get some airdrops, especially that you're interacting for free with testnet tokens. And that brings me to my next step, and step number 6, which is optional. And personally, it's not my favorite because to me, when I do it, it feels like MLM. But if you're want to add more friends, or if you're comfortable with it, go ahead and invite friends for extra points. So in order to do that, you can go ahead to Zeta Labs, and you can do invite to earn more Zeta points. So on the previous screen, on the leaderboard screen that we were before, there is a button to invite, and if they use that link then and they add their wallet to Zeta Labs, I believe that's how they earn. That's how you will be able to earn additional 5,000 points and 1750 extra if they do swap. And that brings me to the next step, which is step number 7, that I also marked as optional because you don't have to do it, but it's going to earn you more Zeta points. And that is finding and reporting bugs in the software. So you can just play around with the app and test it out, and if you find any bugs, you can report it on the Discord, and then you're gonna earn extra Zeta points that can be worth 10,000 plus Zeta points depending on how severe that bug that you found is going to be. Moving on to step number 8. Step number 8 is going to be connect to Zeta Guild and complete Galaxy tasks to get oats. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to guild.xyz/Zetachain, and you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet, and you're going to connect your Discord. Since I already connected my Discord, it probably won't pop up for me, but I can still connect my wallet, so let me do that. Over here, if I remember correctly, it's gonna say join Discord or something like that, but since I already joined, it just tells me go to server. But either way, go ahead and join their Discord as well. So the moment I connect my wallet, it already tells me that I am a guild member. And the next step is going to be Zeta supporter. So if you haven't completed this task, it's going to say that you don't have access. I already have access because I completed this task. But in order for you to do that, you're going to click on this link, which is a Galaxy link, and it's going to take you to the tasks that you need to complete, and then you can mint Zeta NFTs. So once you're on galaxy.com page /Zetachain, what you're going to need to do, you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet. And in order for you to complete this task, what you need to do, you need to expand it right here. And if you join Discord and join Twitter, it might have a button that says verify. I don't remember exactly, but if it says verify, just click verify. And if you join Discord and Twitter, it's just going to verify it for you. And after that, this button claim is going to be available, and once you click on that, you're gonna get your first Zeta NFT, and you've completed this task. After that, click out, go back to guild.xyz, and it's gonna now say, or once you refresh it, it's gonna say that now you have access. So the next thing is going to be beta tester. So the next task, you're gonna click right here on this Galaxy link. It's gonna again open the galaxy.com /Zetachain. This task you've completed in the previous step, so this is gonna say claimed 1. The next ones are gonna say available 1 and claimed 0 because you haven't done it yet. So what you're gonna do next, basically these ones are, you're just gonna be able to claim them because all the tasks that are right here, let me show you, are the ones where Discord verified, Twitter followers, and since you already completed step 4 where you swapped some tokens, this is going to be completed as well. You might need to verify if there is a button to verify. Other than that, if it all looks green and it says that it has this check mark right here, then you're good to go. What you'll be able to do is just have this button available. You just click claim and it's going to claim this NFT. And you're going to do that for this one, this one, this one, and this one. They're all going to be available to claim. I don't know, for some reason this button was available for me, was enabled, but I wasn't able to click it for whatever reason. Maybe it's my browser or something else, or maybe it just doesn't work. If it doesn't work, just click on it and claim right here and you'll be able to claim. And just make sure that you have all the tasks are marked as complete right here. Now, after you've minted all of these NFTs, the next step is going to be to complete Zeta Assimilated 101 and 201. These are 2 quizzes that you need to complete and get verified by a curator before you can click verify and claim your NFTs. So the first one is going to be Zeta Assimilated 101. So you're going to click on that. And over here, you're going to click on this hyperlink that says Zeta Assimilated 101. And it's going to take you to Google Docs. I also attached the link available in the spreadsheet that I'm using. So if you can't find it, you can just use this hyperlink. It's going to be available right over here. But if you're here already on the Google Docs, all you have to do is you have to copy a MetaMask wallet address, paste it right here, and then answer all these questions. So all the answers to the questions I provided in this Google spreadsheet, you can pause the video and just provide the answers, or you can use the spreadsheet that I'm going to leave down in the description below. So once you provided all the answers, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click submit. And after you submit it, it's going to have a button that says view accuracy. So you're going to click on view accuracy right there, and it's going to tell you if your answers are correct. But if you use my answers, they're all going to be correct. So you're going to be just fine. So after that, you go back, and over here, once you expand it, it's going to say verify for this task. So you won't probably be able to verify it right away because this is a manual action that needs to be performed by a curator, and I think they do it once every 24 hours, so you probably need to wait at least 24 hours or a little less depending on when you did it. But usually you can just check the next day and it's going to be available for you to verify. And after that, again, this claim button is going to become enabled and you can claim your NFT. And while you wait for that to be verified by a curator, what you can do, you can just go back and do the Zeta Assimilated 201. So you're going to click on that. Again, you're going to click on this hyperlink in this text. And it's going to take you to another quiz that is also Google Docs that's also available on the Google Sheets that I attached. You're going to, again, paste your wallet address right here and provide all these answers. And again, all the answers are available right here in the spreadsheet. You can, again, pause the video or you can just use the link down in the description. After you've done that, you're going to click again submit right here, and you're going to click view accuracy and check the answers again. After you complete it, you're just going to click out, go back to this screen, Zeta Assimilated 201, and you're going to claim your NFT. And that's going to be for Galaxy tasks. If we look, we have 2 more tasks right here, but these tasks are not yet available. The claimable period is going to start on April 14th at 11, I assume Central Time, or GMT -5. I don't know what time, but just know that it's April 14 and that's when it's going to be available. So we cannot complete these 2 Galaxy tasks just yet. And the last step is going to be step number 8, where you connect to Crew 3 and complete their campaign. So you're going to go to this crew3.xyz/c/Zetachain/quest board, and you're going to complete as many tasks as you can, for which you're going to get, again, some points. So as you can see, if you follow Twitter, you're going to get 20 points. If you join Discord, another 20 points. And it's also going to show you leaderboards. You can check the leaderboards. Some of them have crazy amount of points. But again, don't let this discourage you, because you're doing it and you're basically going to get free money for spending some time. It's probably going to take you maybe at first a couple of hours, and then if you do the swaps every week, it's literally going to take you like 5 minutes. So again, complete as many tasks here as you can to get as many points as you can, because it might be considered when the airdrop happens, and if this actually happens. Again, this is the potential airdrop. Nothing is 100% confirmed. I cannot guarantee that you'll get the airdrop, but it will only take you an hour or 2 maybe of your time, and then 5 minutes every other week to get extra points. And Yeah, it's totally free, it's on testnet. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this. I'm gonna go over more airdrops in the future, including some of the other omni-chain protocols such as Layer 0. Maybe I'm gonna make my next video on Layer 0, I haven't decided yet. But if you enjoy watching stuff like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all guys in the next one.